In this video, let's see how to solve a knapsack problem using brute force. Brute force can be defined as a straightforward approach of solving the problem, which is directly based on the problem statement and the concepts involved in it. Some of the features of the brute force are they are applicable to a wide variety of problems. This strategy can be considered as a general approach to problem solving. Even though the brute force is an inefficient method, it is very much useful for solving small size instances of a problem. The main objective of a knapsack problem is to fill the knapsack of some given volume with different materials such that the value of selected items is maximized. Now let's get into the problem.
At first, for solving a knapsack problem, three main things will be mentioned in our question, which includes items of known weights, values and capacity. Here in our problem, there are 4 number of items mentioned and certain values have been assigned for each item. For example, for item 1, the weight is 7 and the value is $42. For item 2, the weight is 3 and the value is $12. Similarly, for item 3, the weight is 4 and the value is $14. For item 4, the weight is 5 and the value is $25. Finally, they have given a knapsack capacity which is 10. So what we need to do is that we have to find the most valuable subset of the item that fits into the knapsack. Moving on to our problem. While solving this problem, we will be computing two main things. First thing is that in order to identify the feasible subset, you will be following a condition. That is, the total weight should not exceed the knapsack capacity. According to our question, the knapsack capacity is 10, so the total weight should not exceed 10. And the second thing is that we need to find a subset with the largest value among them, which will be evaluated at last. In order to find the solution, we have to compute the different combinations. Usually, we will be getting the possible combinations of 2 power n subset. Here, we have 4 items, so we will be getting 2 power 4 combinations, which is equal to 16. For example, initially it will be an empty subset, so the value will be 0. But if we proceed for combination 1, that is for item 1, the weight which is given in our question is 7, so the total weight will be 7 and the value given in our problem is $42, so the total value is 42. Proceeding this way, for combination 2, that is for item 2, the weight will be 3 and the value will be $12 as per mentioned in our problem. Similarly, for combination 3, the weight given is 4 and the value is $14. And for combination 4, the weight given is 5 and the value is $25. Now, as we can see that the capacity of a knapsack is 10, we can check whether it's possible to fit 2 items in the knapsack within the specified capacity or not. So let's see. If we take the combination of 1 and 2, as we know, it's a combination of item 1 and combination of item 2. For finding the total weight, we will be adding the weight of item 1 and the weight of item 2. That is, for item 1, it's 7 and for item 2, it's 3. So the total weight will be 7 plus 3, which is equal to 10. And whereas the values are 42 and 12, so the total values will be 42 plus 12, which is equal to $54. Next, if we take the combinations of 1 and 3, here the total weight will be 11, which is greater than our knapsack capacity 10. So in this combination, the total value is not feasible. Similarly, for combinations 1 and 4, since the weight is 12, which is greater than 10, again the value is not feasible. For combinations 2 and 3, the total weight is 3 plus 4, which is 7, which doesn't exceed a knapsack capacity, so the total value will be 12 plus 40, which is equal to 52. Similarly, for 2 and 4, the total weight will be 8 and the total value will be 37. For 3 and 4, the total weight will be 9 and the total value will be $65. Now, as we can see that the capacity of a knapsack is 10, we can check whether it's possible to fit 3 items in the knapsack within the specified capacity or not. Since for combinations 1, 2 and 3, the total weight is 14, which is greater than 10 and exceeds our knapsack capacity, the total value is not feasible. Similarly, for 1, 2 and 4, the total weight is 15, so the value is not feasible. Proceeding this way, for 1, 3 and 4, since the total weight is 16, which exceeds 10, so the value is not feasible. For 2, 3 and 4, the total weight is 12, so the value is not feasible. Now we can check whether it's possible to fit 4 items in the knapsack within the specified capacity or not. But since the weight is 19, which exceeds 10, again the value is not feasible. Finally, we have to find a subset with the largest value among them, and that is the subset which contains a combination of 3 and 4, since the total value is $65. And that's how we find the solution for knapsack problem.